Sumbut mitrang ba kajelau ba persatuan tensong badairu menteri babat ya katanat bording ulapan pau ba andala dep ban marmot ya kaleska unit sasisian kajing penmi bording hapoh kejela kan saki ubiang. Habai keren mat kilat pathai ku bor ba persatuan ulapan pau ya kajing tikina ba hapoh lain ni sautoyo ansala ban penmi bording biang kabanyar kat kum kajing dawa penmi bording hapoh kejela. Uba persatuan uloong ba kajing dawa bording hapoh kejela meglia kalong hadu kandai poin kandai pesan million unit haka shisngi bat kumbalong menta kajing dawa kalong 3.6 million unit Henry lai poin nyupsan million unit bat hapan siu no saka banking system kabalong kum simenta kajing simram na kiwei pat bat kajing duna kalong iwei poin san million unit bat yakane ke sarkar kasuthiet na wei ban pendap ya kajing don kam hapoh kejela.
No, Laiska, it takes more time. Our engineers, our expert is on the job, they are on the ground. Now, I'm sure maybe another 3 or 4 weeks from now, I think they'll be able to restore it back. And once the Laiska unit is completed, again, we will have further power generation in the state of Meghalaya. In fact, the requirement that we need every day is 6.2 million units. The requirement in the state of Meghalaya is 6.20 million units in a day. Then again, see, we have to also repay back the advanced banking. The power banking we used to do during lean season, during winter season, with effect from November, December, January, February, up to March. What happened was, we did the power banking. That power banking is we take from others, then we supply, and I think you remember it correctly, there was no load shedding during that time. So now we have to, we have to repay back that banking. Then ultimately now when we calculated 3.75 million units where we have to transfer back to the banking system where we have already drawn during the dry season, 3.75 million units we have to return to them. And then the demand of the state, the requirement is, as I said to you, 6.2 million units every day. So ultimately we have the total requirement 9.95 million units. 9.95 million units is quite huge. So right now we have a shortage of 1.05 million units. But this shortage we are meeting from purchasing from the open market. 1.05 million unit we are buying to meet the requirement of the state of Meghalaya.